Hey, it's Chucks here. Just replacing this, what do they call it? What's this tractor? Jinma Tractor. So I got the part from AliExpress. It comes with a connector in here, which is a spare one which they've left you there. So don't get confused. That plugs into here, and that plugs into here. Now the only problem is someone's played with it. We'll have to have a look how to fix that, but it shouldn't be too hard. Other than that, someone's played a little bit with it before us, so it's a second-hand one, so we'll see what we can do. Okay, the Jinma is fixed. People saying that the wiring's a different color, don't worry about it. As long as you haven't broken off some fuses and replaced the fuses over the years, which we did one, so I fixed that up. Other than that, it's a fantastic replacement. Now if you do want to do yourself a favour, get onto AliExpress. I'll leave a link. I am not affiliated with these people at all, and that will help. All I need now is to fix that. The lights work, but that needs to be replaced. See, this isn't proper UV rated, and it's, you know, here we need it, but like, it's not anyone's fault. It's just I think the Chinese just don't realise that we need UV rated plastic here, and heavier double-sided tape, because it's so hot in this country. Anyway, they did their best, and their best is good. Okay, catch you on the next one.